got an unboxing for a Braun ThermoScan 7. It is a thermometer to use by pushing on the air. So let's have a look. That's the thermometer. Nice. And got battery in it. I have two of these at home in white color. Looks quite quick and accurate, and I actually prefer the simpler version. You don't need to actually choose the month, but this one looks fine as well. It gives you a very quick reading, and it always comes with a batch of the spare gaps, but I don't use that much often. That's pretty much it, and you got the this. That's it. It actually comes with the battery in place. Made in Germany, or designed in Germany, made in Mexico.